In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator to enable two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account. With cybersecurity threats on the rise, adding an extra layer of protection to your online accounts is more important than ever. Let's walk through how you can secure your LinkedIn profile using Google Authenticator. To get started, make sure the Google Authenticator app is installed on your smartphone. You can find it on both the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Once downloaded, open the app and get familiar with its simple, easy-to-use interface. Now, head over to LinkedIn on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Me icon at the top of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Inside your account settings, look to the left sidebar and select the Account tab. Then, under the Login and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Two-Step Verification. This is what we need to enable. Click on Two-Step Verification, then click Turn On. LinkedIn will ask how you'd like to receive your verification codes. Choose the Authenticator app option and click Continue. Next, LinkedIn will show you a QR code on your screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the ++ icon or look for an option that says Scan a QR code. Use this to scan the code shown on LinkedIn. Once you've scanned it, the app will instantly create a 6-digit verification code for your LinkedIn account. Enter this code back on the LinkedIn page to complete the setup. And that's it. Your LinkedIn is now linked to Google Authenticator, and you've just added an important layer of security. From now on, each time you log into LinkedIn, you'll be prompted to enter a code from your Authenticator app. This method is a quick and powerful way to protect your account. Don't forget to always use strong, unique passwords and stay alert to phishing attempts. Thank you for watching this video.